Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, for raising the rate of surcharge, which is indeed a step in the right direction of bringing nearer the goal of a socialist pattern of society, very little change is made in the structure of direct taxation, perhaps under the belief that under this head that limit of taxation has been reached beyond which it is not possible to tax further, since it is maintained by the higher income groups that with that payment of income tax, super tax, wealth tax and expenditure tax, etc., no part of their current earned income remains with them, and hence any further taxation would act as the highest disincentive to work and thus affect the production of greater wealth. Whatever the merits of the argument may be, which I do not for a moment appreciate, I would like to know from the finance minister as to how many persons of the higher income groups there are in the country who in fact pay by way of taxes all or nearly all that they earn during the year. Under such circumstances, further taxation on them would not only have been not unjustified, but I would rather say called for. Such a step seems to me to have been all the more necessary because of the fact that it is this class of persons who have benefited most from the last two plans as compared to any other, such as I note with regret that on drastic steps have been taken to mop up the ill-gotten gains of this class of persons. Coming from to the indirect taxes which have been levied, it will be noticed that out of rupees 57 crores of additional duty to be derived under this head, almost as much as 21 crores, or in other words a little over 1/3 of it, is duty on commodities consumed by the poor and middle classes. While it may be conceded that in levying this class of taxation, the finance minister has taken pains to see that so far as possible only such commodities in the common man's use may be taxed as are of a non-essential character, such as tea, coffee, betel nut, tobacco, cigarettes, cigars, etc. But the duty which has been levied on vegetable oil, meat made cotton and woolen yarn, medium grade cloth and higher grade kerosene oil cannot be considered to be of non-essential character. These particular duties are bound to hit the middle income and the lower income groups of people who, because of the prevailing high prices, find it difficult to make their two ends meet. Full stop.